reveal my secrets. Okay, let's save this sour head. Ooh, look at that lime scale. I really love that. You need vinegar and bowl. Soak the shower head in vinegar and let it sit there at least an hour. You can see it's already working because there are some bubbles. Nice. Okay, 1 hour later we are ready to scrub. Take a Steel Daddy. It's really important to have a hard tool like Steel Daddy, so this will work. Scrub it and enjoy the cleanness. Easily. Bye bye, lime scale. Hardened toothpaste, one of my favorite stains. I always use a Steel Daddy because it removes hardened stains effectively, like this. Most toothbrush chargers can last up 30 minutes submerged in water, so there is no harm in rinsing it under running water. And it's clean! Do you have dishes which have these black marks? Now I'm gonna show you how to remove those. You will need power paste and a microfiber cloth. I have dipped this damp microfiber cloth in power paste. Then I just wipe the bowl with it. It's really safe to use power paste for your dishes. Of course, I would rinse this bowl after the cleaning, but the paste doesn't have any toxic chemicals in it. Wipe, 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 and then it's clean. How to clean a stove like professional. Most people wouldn't even know what to do or how to get these stains out. I will tell you. First, spray some oven cleaner. Any oven cleaner should work, but make sure it's a foaming one. Then place plastic wrap on top of it. This will prevent the oven cleaner from drying. Oven cleaner will stay moist on your induction stove. This is a mini tutorial for you. First I apply dish soap and then baking soda. Then I just scrub it. Here to you. Bye!